Hi friends, this is Deepan and welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I am going to reveal the hidden quality of May born people. If you are born in May, then you must watch this video, and if you are not born in May, then also this video can be helpful for you to get a good idea about a May born people in your life. And my small request to you is that I have around 40,000 lovely friends in this YouTube family. And if you love this video, then must join this family to achieve 1 lakh family member. It will be my greatest reward from you. So hit the subscribe button to be a part of my lovely YouTube family and click the like button for this wonderful video. So, people born in May are very sharp. If you are born in May, then you work hard to achieve what you believe in. No obstacles can overcome you when you try to fulfill your goals and dreams. This is what makes you quite successful people wherever you go. Your determination to do things properly and wholeheartedly is a very impressive quality. You are very work-oriented people. You are quite emotional, but being emotional has its own good and bad aspect. The good aspect is that you have feelings, sensitivity to feel everything, and can even relate to what others are going through the situation right now. And the bad aspect is that you can be easily irritated. Your sensitivity makes you short-tempered. It's not always a big deal if you know how to deal with this properly. People born in May always have unstable brain like small children. You are so strong mentally that at the end of the day there is no sign of tiredness in your body. I wonder how it is possible, but whatever it is, it helps you to work hard and lead you towards reaching your goals. It is often seen that you live a very busy life, but you can handle anything very well. People born in May have strong passion for seeing the world, experiencing different culture, meeting different kinds of people, and most of all making memories that last a lifetime. You find a lot more of new opportunities when you are discovering the world. Rather than staying in one place, you usually prefer to travel on your own as you are hardly ever depends on others. This is a very good quality of yours. It is quite difficult to get involved in an argument with you. You don't just listen. You argue for hours to come to prove your point. This quality sometimes can make it difficult for others to talk to you about something that you have different feelings about. People born in May are known for their lavish way of spending their money. You not only spend your money on yourself but also on the people you care about. You don't believe in small gifts, or you don't count all the time the same thoughts. However, at the same time, you are quite smart savers of money. So even if you do spend a lot, you know how to save too. You know what you are capable of, and you set only realistic goals you know you can achieve. Once you realize or discover that there is nothing stopping you from achieving these goals, your dreams and aspirations have no limits, but you are aware of what is logical and reasonable, which allows you to put in time and effort on what's important. People born in May have the willpower and the ability to motivate themselves to do anything. This means you will always finish what you started. If you are born in May, then you love to be in the spotlight more than anything in this world. Anyway, you don't even have to try hard to get anyone's attention. People get attracted to you naturally because of your personality. You spread a positive vibe that everyone wants to be around you and be your friends. You have an eye for art, so it only makes sense that you are passionate about the same. You are great in any field that requires you to use your creativity skill. What do you think? If you agree with my analysis, then don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Also feel free to give a like and your opinion. And subscribe to my YouTube family to get more interesting videos in near future. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.